Today, just one thing. That's right, just one thing. Pick a moment, and you do have a moment, and just breathe. Do something that you want to, whether it's step outside and enjoy how beautiful the backyard is and the trees, and I scared off quite a few birds, so maybe they're not enjoying this as much, but just take a moment, whether it's stepping outside, it's pausing, putting your phone down, looking at your kids, your critters, enjoying a drink of tea, water, just for a few moments, pause, because when you come out of that moment, you're going to be in a much better mindset, body set, and you're resetting your day and your experiences with each other. So, enjoy your day and tell me how you reset.